Welcome to the Tech Security Alert channel, and this is an interesting news item about security. There's a lot of stuff happening around us, and we don't realize it. We might be at home and, on our little computers, on our devices, and just, having a fun time and just doing what we do every day. But there's a lot of things happening in security terms around the world. A interesting report that is actually coming from the Mandiant report that was published today is actually talking about waves of phishing attacks that have happened in December. So what are phishing attacks? Well, phishing attacks or phishing scams, first of all, are messages that are sent out that try to lure you into clicking or doing an action. And the result of that action is, of course, you can get an account stolen, you can get money stolen, a lot of things can happen. Usually what they will do is ask for a lot of personal details and a lot of things needed to actually steal money, steal your accounts, and so on. So there's, of course, daily phishing scams everywhere, and even in your personal emails. But big organizations are often the ones that are targeted the most because of the potential for making a lot of money and sometimes a lot of damage to an organization. So according to the Mandiant report, in December of 2020, tailored strains of attacks for phishing attacks actually were sent with three different new variants of malware that could actually easily infect and do damage to organizations. The attack has hit at least 50 organizations from a very wide variety of industries. And it happened in two waves between December 2nd and December 11th. And also, December 18th, a third wave arrived. And of course, these are meant to try to get, hacked into organizations. A lot of them are also, that's something we think less of, but a lot of state-sponsored attacks, kind of governments of foreign countries trying to get into big networks of the major companies. One of the things that they were saying is that the amount of phishing emails and scams that were sent out in that attack are so huge that it actually used considerable infrastructure to pull off their attacks, with roughly 50 domains being used to deliver phishing emails. And we're talking about, not just 10, 20 emails. We're talking about millions of emails being sent simultaneously in different organizations. And companies, especially big ones, are often, worldwide. So every email of every country, of every different, division, and every different companies, every different, countries that have one division of that company has been attacked. So it's pretty crazy. And the tactic used is that 7 phishing emails were observed targeting medical industry, some high-tech electronics, automotive, military equipment manufacturers, defense contractors, and lots of California-based electronics manufacturing company, according to Mandiant. And of course, a lot of these were masquerading as the account executive. So, that happens very often when somebody tries to get money by actually saying that they are one of the big employees, one of the managers, one of the top employees, and sometimes you need money. There's really an amazing amount of these things happening. There's no evidence that they were actually successful in any of the industries where all of this was sent and all the targeting they did. If you actually educate your employees enough, it's easy to actually circumvent these attacks. But you need good employees that have good education about security. So pretty crazy what's happening in the world, and imagine that happens every day in different companies and different places. Unfortunately, some do get bitten by these phishing scams, but most of them actually avoid them. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.